What is good, ladies and gentlemen? It is your favorite guy, Mr. Brown Guy. You know it, I know it, and hopefully you subscribe and tell your friends and family or your boy and your girl. Today, I'm gonna show you a juicy ass delicious chicken meal. This is something I do in order to maintain my craving levels. Now, if you are ready to taste some delicious chicken, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have, let's get going. So this right here is my fridge. Something that's special about my fridge is I only have what I need, all right? So I got my protein scoop over here. So this is like a Greek yogurt with 0.2% fat, my bananas, my lettuce, my fish over there, asparagus, I got some more lettuce, and I got my meals. Now you can see here, right here, it's been in the freezer. Whenever I am almost done with my meals, I take it out of the freezer. I make it once a week and make sure that I have for all my meals. back, and this was literally it. Now, this chicken meal on the grill is so delicious, so I try to eat it at least twice a week. Something about eating clean, just it's a habit you have to build. If you haven't had that habit already, you are just going to take a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and tell yourself, okay, I'm allowed to because I've worked hard, or I went on a treadmill for half an hour, or whatever it might be. That doesn't count. No, when you are in a caloric deficit, you need to stay in a caloric deficit in order to lose some weight and reach your goal. If you are going to take a little bit of this without knowing how much is in it, or are you allowed to have it in your meal, two things. You might be wrong about the calories, and you might be overdoing your calories to actually want to lose weight, but you might put on weight or maintain your weight either. And the second thing, if you don't eat regularly the same thing, something that happens for me is that it fucks up my stomach. It's not that I have a bad stomach or anything like that, but my digestion just goes down. Make sure you eat the same damn thing day in and day out. It's said like that. It's tough, but tough love. That's what you need to do in order to reach your goal. All right? If you have any other things, please let me know. Put in the comment, shoot me a DM on Instagram on Mr.BrownGuy91. Let me know what you want to see. Some more training videos, some more meal prep cheat meals like this. Yeah, let me know and we'll stay in touch, all right? Until then, I'll see you soon.